So today we are going to look at one of another amazing feature in Google Keyboard, that is Google Translate. Google Translate um, is used to translate word to another language. That means especially language that you are not familiar with. For example, you are you want to communicate, you are a Nigerian, maybe you want to communicate, chat with somebody in Arabic. You are Nigerian, you want to chat with another person in French. So it helps you translate your language to the preferred language of your choice. Any country that you want to chat with the person to, you can change it while you are using your own English. Understand? Or you can even use your own dialect. Yeah. Then it will now convert, you will define it to convert to change. So let's start. So how does it work? You come to your Gboard. First of all, because I noticed some people may not have this thing is not really there may be that button, there may be that provision there in your keyboard, but most time you have to install it. So first of all, you need to check your phone. If you don't have Google Translation, you go to Play Store and download it. Type the Google Translate. Once you install it, finish, then that is when you will be sure that yes, is you have it. Or you just check it, search it on your phone first to be sure before you follow this procedure. So once you have it installed, then let's go. You come back to your Gboard. Any be it in Facebook, be it anywhere. One is in your Gboard. So like I told you, you can be used in any platform. So you come here to enter this three dot. If you want to you see floating, translate, and all those things. So you go on translate. So once you click on translate, you see I provide you on two interface. The one type message, second one here. You see this left hand side, write English, and you see this second hand, it shows French. So these two arrows, you can see two arrows shows you one facing right, the second one facing left. So this left side is your own, is what you are writing, is your preferred language as English. So you can choose depending on what the language that you want to use on your own, but I think it's English now, so that because it will make it easy for you to type, for you to form the sentence that you want to form, and allow the translation to battle with it to change to the other person that you want to send. So let's try. I like to start with our own very country dialect, Hausa. I love it. I love that language so much, but I'm still trying to learn them. So you go. How does it work? So how these things work? So your own is just to chat. The thing will translate, and you send it. Send a translation. For example, let me say, "Good morning." Translate, you send, you click send. See, in our corner, that is what. Let me say, how are you? How are you? Translate, you send. How is your wife? You say ya matanka. Okay. So for the sake of the video, I don't want to make the video long. There is no magic there. So one thing I will advise is you must have a strong network. You must have a network for this to work. And like I always said, everything you want to use in your phone for the very first time, you have to give it a time. If you have not really using this translation before, So when you start using it, you need to give it a time for it to load, for it to load. Once you that first day has passed, your phone will be used to, because there are some things that they put embedded in our cell phone. If you don't go and wake them, they will be sleeping there like a dying dog. Understand? They will not be walking, they will not be running. So once you only go and touch them, that is the when they will now stand up and start arranging the room, start arranging to start functioning, knowing that you now know the function of that area. So you can, just as I imply, you can change to any language that you want the thing to translate to. Arabic, let's see, hello, hello my friend. So you see, it has changed. You send, how is everything going? Send. So same thing there. We change to any other language. French, let's try French. Bonjour people, bonjour, bonjour. Where is French? Okay, French. So good morning, bonjour. Okay, good morning, sir. So like I said, that is how to use Google Translate. This site, if you're like in Nigeria, and we have our three major languages here: Hausa, um, Igbo, yes, Igbo, and Yoruba is also here. So if you are somebody that know how to type in your language, you can still type in your language for it to translate to any other. But I always said always said she use English in just normal chatting. So let's make it faster. No, that one I did not. No wait. Oh, I no. You see, I mixed it up. It's English. Actually want to translate to us. Okay. So got 70. So and so forth and so forth. So this translation have over 100, yeah, over 100 translation, over 100 languages that you can translate to. So you can choose any one of your choice. You can chat. You'll be surprised, somebody that you are chatting will be like, so this guy. So for people that really want to use it, because most time from some of our foreign friends, you see, like if you are chatting somebody from Philippines and all those some of other country, you notice that they don't really, even South Africa, notice some of them doesn't really use English in chatting, so people will not have a good communication. Yes, but using this, you can translate what they send to you, and you can translate what you are sending to the person. Thank you. Comment and let me know if you like the video, and thumbs up, like, subscribe for me to keep on working more. Thank you.